Welcome everyone to a world full of wonder and amazing creatures. Today, we embark on a journey to discover the incredible stories of some of our favorite animals. Elephant, empathy. Elephants, the gentle giants of the savannah, teach us the power of empathy. Elephants care for their herd. Let's learn to understand and share the feelings of others, creating a world filled with kindness. Panda, harmony. Pandas teach us about living in harmony with our surroundings. Pandas depend on bamboo for their sustenance. By consuming bamboo, they maintain the delicate balance of their ecosystem, ensuring a sustainable environment for themselves and other creatures. Parrot, communication. Meet the colorful parrot. Parrots emphasize the value of communication. They teach us to express ourselves and seek assistance when needed, fostering a sense of connection with others. Tiger, courage. Next, we encounter the mighty tiger. Much like Nina's bravery in facing challenges, tigers demonstrate courage in the wild. This majestic creature inspires us to be fearless when pursuing our dreams and goals. Giraffe, perseverance. Now, let's stretch our necks with the giraffe. Giraffes exemplify perseverance. Their long journey for food and survival teaches us that with patience and resilience, we can reach great heights. Penguin, teamwork. Waddle with the penguins. These adorable birds showcase teamwork, reminiscent of Nina and Mila's adventures. Penguins teach us that by working together, we can overcome challenges and create something truly remarkable. Meerkat, responsibility. Our adventure concludes with the vigilant meerkats. Meerkats take turns on guard duty, ensuring the safety of their community. Let's embrace our responsibilities and contribute to a harmonious world. As we wrap up our journey with these amazing animals, remember the valuable lessons they teach us. By incorporating these positive values, we can make our world a better place for all living beings. Stay curious, be kind, and keep exploring, young adventurers. Thank you for watching.